Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me. For you. Today let me introduce the BDFLY. That's the BD KVM Switch. 2 monitors, 2 pieces. That means 2 personal computer you can operate with up to 2 monitors. Oh wow, with a switch. 8K HDMI USB 3.0 KVM switch for 2 monitors. It supports 8K in 60 Hz, 4K in 120 Hz for 2 computers that share keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Wow! This HDMI KVM switch, with 2 HDMI ports, allows the control of 2 computers and the sharing of a monitor, as well as a keyboard and mouse. It combines the function of a USB and an HDMI switch in only one device. This dual monitor KVM switch supports various input devices such as personal computers, laptop, PlayStation, etc. And it's compatible with a variety of operation systems, including Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Vista and XP, Linux, Mac, and more. The dual monitor KVM switch has 3 USB 3.0 ports for an ultra-fast data transfer speed of up to 5 Gbps per second. This allows us to seamlessly share peripherals such as printers and external hard drives between 2 computers, which ensure a more order and efficiency. And if we're sharing USB devices such as keyboards, mice and scanners, printers and USB sticks, the switch automatically detects and configures the connected devices. The HDMI KVM switch supports an impressive 8K resolution at 60 Hz and shows a rather sharp and a detailed image on our monitors. In addition, it is the HDCP 2.3 compatible, so we can play HDCP protected content without interruption. It also supports an 8K 30 frames or 4K 240 Hz, 2K 3D and 1080p. This provides the flexibility for different display requirements. This guarantees both exceptional image quality and a smooth and secure multimedia experience. The 8K dual monitor KVM switch offers 2 switches per options. A button on the HDMI KVM switch and a wide remote control. With the wide remote control, we can place the KVM switch for 2 monitors and 2 computers in a hidden or remote place, thus keeping our desk tidy. We simply place the wide remote control within reach on our desk for a quick access. At the touch of a button, we can seamlessly switch between the computers, increasing the productivity and ensures a more order. And this USB 3.0 HDMI KVM switch has adapted an EID and thus ensures a stable and smooth image transmission by automatically optimize the display settings. This is an easy to install KVM switch for 2 monitors and 2 computers, which requires no power supply, no driver software, just a plug it on connection on the cable to seamlessly switch between the computers and 1 monitor. But if you need more, you should get an AC adapter in front of it, and then it will be switched faster and reliable, of course. This dual monitor KVM switch comes with 2 USB 3.0 cables and a wide remote control. So we are going to know that we will need there an HDMI 2.1 cables to connect 2 computers and a monitor. But if you have this, no problem for it, you can use this KVM switch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Thanks, son.